What is up, everyone? I want to keep this video relatively quick. The last time I did say that, it did end up being over 10 minutes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But this video will be very quick, straight to the point, teaching you guys something really awesome about Shopify and why this time, right now, whatever date it is, April 2nd, 2020, Shopify, dropshipping, Shopify stores, anything Shopify that you're gonna build is the best thing to do at this current moment. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. So I'm gonna probably hop into my computer in this video and I'm gonna show you guys what Shopify is really offering. It's nothing too crazy, but I think it's an awesome thing. If you're stumbling across this video, you wanna make money from home, you wanna make money as a teenager, you wanna make money as a 10-year-old, as a 40-year-old, as a 7-year-old, you want to make some money with the comfort of your home, your laptop, you're in quarantine, you're not going outside. This is going to be the best thing that you're going to learn. I'm taking advantage of it by starting 4 companies right now, 4 online websites. Not just companies yet, but Shopify is offering 90 days, possibly more, of free plans. So if you sign up for Shopify, it's no more 2 weeks to launch your business and make money. It's 90 days, guys. I think that's absolutely amazing. Wanted to create a quick video on here, show you guys. There'll be a link in the description for Shopify. If you don't know what it is, they have all the tools, all the videos, all the lessons you need to be able to start a website. It's the easiest thing, the easiest way. All you have to do, type your email, you'll sign in, and then you basically already have a store. All you have to do is add products. You could pair with Oberlo or AliExpress, some type of grabber, so you could do drop shipping. But if that's not what you want to do and you want to find a product, head over to Alibaba.com, dhgate.com, source a product that you really want to sell, find a good product, get a good manufacturer, get a sample. Yes, China is shipping. Don't be scared about this virus. China is shipping. By the time the package gets to you, the coronavirus will be dead, so you don't have to worry about that. But you could get products from China right now, so don't be scared to hit up a Chinese manufacturer, say, this is what I want to do, can you help me out? I know so many people have amazing ideas, but they never actually go through it. Well, Alibaba.com, type what you want to do, hit up 10 manufacturers, send them the same message, see which ones get back to you in the quickest time, start working with those, and see how much it costs you for a sample, and bam, you're in store, you have a store, you now can start a Shopify dropshipping business. You have 90 days to make profit, so this is the 90-day challenge. Starting a Shopify dropshipping store or any type of store. High quality stuff is obviously the best way. Don't sell junk because people are going to return it, but 90-day challenge, I'm part of it. I'm launching a bunch of websites right now. You're going to see them on this channel. You have 90 days from this date of this video to publish a Shopify store, have products on it, and be selling items. Obviously on this channel I could document all the Facebook ad strategies, but instead you could check out different Facebook ad strategies here on YouTube, completely free. There are so many. I recommend the Kevin David one. It was about an hour long, and he just goes through everything you need to know to make Facebook ads. But you think about Pinterest ads, think about Twitter ads, think about Instagram, TikTok, everything. There are so many ads you can create for your business to get traffic to your product. I'm super excited that you guys are going to do this, and yeah, make sure you hit that link below. It is an affiliate link. I think I get like $25 or something, but if you haven't already started a Shopify store, support the channel. Click the affiliate link in the description for the Shopify thing. It might not even be an affiliate link. I have to see if I am an affiliate partner still, but yeah, Shopify.com, start your free trial, 90 days. Can you build a profitable business in 90 days? I think you can. So hopefully I'll see you back on this channel in 90 days. Maybe you guys will comment down below that you're going to start this challenge with me. I'd be super excited to know. But 90 days to start a Shopify store. If at the end of it you do give up on it, you do fail in some way, well, you could just cancel your free subscription on June 28th or July 1st, however long 3 months is from now. And that's pretty much it. So I'm super excited to see where you are by the end of June, and stop back on this channel. If you're selling a product and you're successful, I would really appreciate a thumb up and a subscribe as well. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified. Help me build this channel, help me grow it. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. If you thought this was a cool idea, I'm gonna do more ideas like this if you guys let me know in the comments below. But all right, guys, stay safe out there, and peace.